Our topic for today's class is information systems. Outline. We'll be looking at the definitions, types of information systems, information system versus information technology, expanding rules of IS, that's information system, short form of it, classification of information system, enterprise resource planning, information systems development, information system as discipline, information system, that's the opportunities and challenges in information system, then conclusion. Definition. Now we'll be working mostly with some terms, which is the data and the information, because these are the two things you need you need the data in order to get the information. Now, what is the data? The data is a raw fact such as an employee's name and number of hours worked in a week, inventory, parts number, or sales orders. Whatsoever fact it may be, it might not necessarily be around what we've mentioned here, or whatsoever thing, as long as so now definitions. Information system. Information system is typically considered to be a set of interrelated elements or components that collect inputs, it manipulates or processes them, and disseminates the outputs, that's the data and information, and provide a feedback mechanism to meet an objective. Now, the feedback mechanism will have open system mechanism or closed system. Types of information system. Types of information system will have informal information system and formal information system. Now, we also have computer-based information system, meaning that the definition here is different, slightly different from what the previous definition I mentioned. An computer-based information system is an organized combination of people, hardware, software, communication network, and the data resources that collect, transform, and disseminate information in an organization. Now, comparing information system and information technology. Remember, these two are different. Don't say when you see information system, don't take it to be information technology. Now, what's the information system? From this diagram now, you can see that information system are things you can relate them to hardware, software, databases, network, and other related components. Now, with this information technology you use to build the information system. What we have here, just explaining it further. So now operation support system. I want to explain what each of them of the categories does. Under operation of support system, I mentioned earlier that we have the transaction processing system, the process control system, and the office automation system. So now on the transaction processing system, it processes business exchanges, it maintains record about the exchanges, it handles activity. Now management support system. This one, it provides information and support needed for effective decision making by managers. We're also going to explain into detail the categories. The management information system, which is the first one, what it does is gives routine information for routine decision, the operational efficiency. It also uses transaction data as the main input. The second one is decision support system. Interactive support. It gives interactive support for non-routine decision or problems. End users are more involved in creating a DSS than an MIS. You can see with the meaning of DSS is decision support system. So end users are more involved in creating a decision support system than a management information system. Executive information system. They provide critical information tailored to the information needs of the executive. Then we also have other categories which were not mentioned. They will have expert system, end users computing system, business information system, strategy information system. Now expert system and knowledge-based systems that provide expert advice and act as expert consultants to the users. End user computing system, these ones, they support the direct hands-on use of computer by the end user for operational and managerial applications. Enterprise resource planning, this ERP, is an integrated program that can manage a company's entire set of business operations. It's mainly used in HR sector, that is the human resource sector. Then it often coordinates planning, inventory control, production, and ordering. Now, how does this information system develop? You cannot just say from data to information. There are processes in between, which we'll be discussing here. First, we have system investigation. What you have to understand the problem. As you collect the data, you have to really study them, understand the problem. Then from there, you go to system analysis. You analyze the problem, understand the solution. Analyze the system, analyze the data you've collected, then go to the system design. You select and plan. Now information system as discipline. Information system is an interdisciplinary field influenced by computer system, political system, psychology, operations research, linguistics, sociology, and organization theory. It really covers almost every aspect of life. Discipline and principles used in the information system field. Now we have different disciplines and their key principles. Computer science, it identifies and understands the scientific principles of computing. It learns to develop more powerful and interactive computers. For political science, it examines the political impact of information both inside and outside the organization and the effect of information systems on a society. Psychology, understand and study how human beings. I will talk about the opportunities and the challenges. First, the challenges. Challenges in information system. Now, workforce downsizing, information overload, employee mistrust, difficult to build, and security breaches. Opportunities, it enhances global competitiveness, capture market opportunities, support corporate strategies, enhance worker productivity, and improve quality of goods and services. Now, in conclusion, information systems are indispensable to the business, industry, academia, and any organization to meet the future challenges. Every sector needs information system to make work move faster and better. Thank you for listening to us today. Our next class will be on management information system. I would like you to check our channels for other videos. And also at the bottom of this video you will see a thumb up. Please, you can click on it